Part 1, Story Conversation. Scene 1, Entering the Supermarket.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to the supermarket.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need some food.
Of course. What do you need?
I need milk, bread, and eggs.
You can find them in aisle 3.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Scene 2, Finding the Basket.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Where can I find a basket?
The baskets are near the door.
Thank you.
No problem.
This basket is big.
Yes, it can hold many items.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Scene 3, Looking for Milk.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it is fresh today.
Great.
Do you need anything else?
Yes. I need cheese.
The cheese is next to the milk.
I found the cheese. Thank you.
Great. Let me know if you need help.
Scene 4, Asking about price.
How much is this milk?
It is $2.
That is a good price.
Yes, it is on sale today.
What does on sale mean?
It means the price is lower.
Oh, I understand.
Would you like to buy some today?
Yes, I will take 2 bottles.
Scene 5, Looking for Fruits.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Where can I find apples?
The apples are in the fruit section.
These apples look good.
Yes, they are very fresh.
I will take 3 apples.
Good choice.
How much are these apples?
They are $3 per kilo.
Scene 6, Asking for Help.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Can you help me, please?
of course.
I cannot find the bread.
The bread is behind you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Scene 7, At the Checkout. Hello.
Hello again.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did.
Please put your items here.
Okay.
Your total is $10.
Here you are. Thank you.
anytime.
Scene 8. Payment. Scene 8. Payment.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by card.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful.
Scene 9. Receiving the receipt.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Please keep your receipt.
Why?
You may need it later.
Okay. I understand.
Scene 10. Leaving the store.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Part 2. Vocabulary lesson. Basket.
A container used to carry items.
Example.
I put the milk in the basket.
Fresh.
New and good to eat.
Example.
The bread is fresh today.
Price.
The amount of money for something.
Example.
The price of the milk is $2.
Sale.
When something costs less money.
Example.
The apples are on sale.
Section.
A part of a store.
Example.
The fruit section is over there.
Check out.
The place where you pay.
Example.
Please go to the checkout.
Receipt.
A paper showing what you bought.
Example.
Keep your receipt.
Payment.
Giving money for something.
Example.
The payment is complete.
Part 3. Practice time. Example.
Where is the milk? The milk is in aisle 3.
Example.
How much is the milk? It is $2.
Example.
Can you help me? Yes, of course. Wow, great job.
Part 4. Review vocabulary. Basket.
A container used to carry items. Fresh, new, and good to eat.
Price.
The amount of money for something.
Sale.
When something costs less money.
Section.
A part of a store.
Receipt.
A paper showing what you bought.
Great job!
You did very well today. See you in the next lesson.